And we're back.
Okay, what's up next, Spirit?
Alrighty, round 2.
What are we making next?
Dutch apple pie.
Okay, first of all, we just went to the refrigerator and we got out the apples that we had.
Mm-hmm.
And we just mixed them up, different kinds. We had some Granny Smith. We had some other kind. I can't even tell you what kind is in there because it's been there. Okay, but they're all apples. They're going to taste the same. The only thing that I have to say for a tip, and most people know this, don't use a Red Delicious apple.
Don't use Red Delicious?
No, that's not a baking apple. Okay, so onward and forward. Okay, so first of all, you got your apples.
Mm-hmm.
Well, first of all, you have to have that crazy beer. It's not Miller time. What time is it?
Michelob Ultra time.
There you go.
Alright.
Okay, so first of all, we've tried to measure our stuff out. You already got your apples going. So it's a little mixture of everything.
Oh, she's sleeping over there.
That's right. We'll just ignore it.
Okay.
So you need a tablespoon of lemon. And we actually went ahead and just used a lemon. So here's your tablespoon of lemon.
Over that?
Yeah, just throw it over.
Whoop.
Whoop! Okay. Alright. Then you need your sugars.
Over this?
It's all going to go in.
Nothing's going in here?
Not right now. This is different.
Ready?
How much sugar are you putting?
Oh, I'm sorry. We're putting a half teaspoon. Half a cup of sugar. White sugar. Whoop. We're doing something a little unconventional. We're going to use a quarter cup of brown sugar. It's just going to plunk in there. You know when you use brown sugar, you have to pack it into the measuring cup. Now, we need 3 tablespoons of flour.
Alrighty then. Level?
Well, wait. Do you know how to measure flour?
Yes, ma'am. You taught me.
How? No. Before you start with flour, you have to use something. We have a scoop. You have to stir your flour so it's loose. You don't want it packed in there.
Oh, okay.
So when you start using it, you want it to be fluffy and loose. So we need 3 tablespoons.
Whoop.
Whoop. 1. Whoop.
Whoop.
2. Whoops. Oh, Lord.
Whoop.
Okay, there's your flour. Okay, now we need, this says a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I like cinnamon, so we're not going to use a half a teaspoon. You can start out with a teaspoon and a half. That pioneer woman's not going to be very happy when she sees me spill her stuff all over the counter. 1. Whoop. Start with 1. There you go. We're using a half a teaspoon, so that's what we're doing. Okay. We'll stir that up and see if we want to add more in there. Okay? Just throw that in there. It'll be okay. Just throw it in there.
Whoop.
Whoop. Okay, stir it up. So you want to make sure that you have that and it's evenly dispensed around your apples.
We're all about the same.
So it's incorporated. Yep. Doing good. I think I saw a piece of, hold on. Screw over.
Piece of what?
Where's a little piece of, I think we got a little on the top of the apple in one of these. I guess it'll bake down. See that?
That was you.
To me.
Big one. I didn't make big slices.
Well, we're just going to pinch it off and throw it away.
I blamed it on her.
Okay.
I might have done it.
Okay, so that looks like that's good.
Oh, time out.
What's that? Oh, goodness. Okay, go ahead. Okay.
Alright.
All right, now we're ready. So we have our apples ready.
Oop.
Careful, because this is not permanent, it's stationary. Okay. Now, we're going to use 3/4 of a cup of flour. So you can just use 3 of these. Remember, you want to make
3. Whoop.
Whoops! Okay. You're putting it in this bowl.
Okay. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. Whoop.
Okay, all right, now we need a quarter of a cup of sugar.
In this bowl, right?
Yep, everything right now is going in that bowl. You just dip it in there.
I'll put that in there.
There we go.
Whoop.
Okay, that's good. Now we need a quarter cup of brown sugar. Remember how you do brown sugar? You pack it in, push it in there. You know how to do brown sugar, and then dump it in the bowl.
Whoop.
Okay.
We're supposed to have a spoon?
No. All right. Okay. So now we need a quarter of a cup of butter. I'm sorry, a third of a cup.
Is that a third?
It's crispy. Butter. Hold on, we need a third of a cup. A third is down here. See it? Need 5 and a third.
Right here?
No, count 5. 1,
2, 3, 4.
You're calling the opposite.
So this is a third?
Wait, make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a third. Oh, you're such a moron. I didn't know you were counting the opposite direction I was, and I ended up on the other end.
Hey, that's a penalty, man. I gotta have a drink on that one.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, we use that part. I was gonna use this part.
This is
5 and a third. Okay, I thought you said a third.
5 and a third.
Got it.
Okay, there you
Whoop,
go.
whoop.
Whoop is all right. I'm gonna whoop you. Okay, here. Now comes the pastry blender. You know how to work this thing?
No.
You're gonna learn. You're gonna incorporate all this stuff.
They want to know what kind of pies you're making.
We're making an Dutch apple pie, and we're making coconut cream sugar-free pie. Well, good thing you're not rolling out pie dough right now because you're not very gentle.
Am I supposed to be gentle still?
Not necessarily. We might need a bigger bowl. It's working, but I think we might need more volume on the bottom.
I think I need more beer, man.
As long as it's not Miller time, you're not using that kind of beer. Okay. I apologize. This might be a little easier. That'll make it a lot easier.
That'll work.
Okay, now incorporate that. Now, you have all this stuff up the edge. You gotta take your finger and rub it, clean it off, throw it back down in there.
Yes, the ball.
And don't lick your finger.
All right.
Alright. You wanna make sure you wanna get the nicest crumble that you can.
Oh, it's gotta be crumbs.
It's crumbs. Yeah, it's Dutch apple. So right now we're putting together the Dutch apple because that's going to go in an unbaked pie shell, and we have our oven already full with something else we have to wait.
And what is in the oven?
In the oven, we can't open it.
Why can't?
We can't even walk by it because it said, forget about it.
Sit down and
What's in it? I don't remember. Do you?
Nope.
Oh, I guess it's a secret later.
That guy said don't think about it, so I don't even know what's in there. Okay.
How's that?
That looks perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna use it. We really didn't need to put the holes in this crust, but we did. So whatever, it'll be all right. We changed our mind on what kind of pie we want. So now it's an awful lot of apples to go in that pie. It's a lot. So you're just gonna scoop them in.
What
Oh.
apples?
You're gonna put the apples in. Just scoop them in.
Does that scoop them?
Yeah.
Jerry, you're cracking up.
Okay. Good job. Now you want to make sure that they're evenly proportioned. You know what we used to do? This is a test. Stop. You take a piece of the apple.
Now the videographer does get one of those.
Try it.
You can have that one.
Okay. Oh, yum.
Pretty good, eh?
Yeah, try it.
Those are my fave.
You want to try the apple, David?
Oh, that's good.
No, I'm good.
Okay, go ahead.
Too bad all of you can't try these apples because they're pretty yummy.
Perfect. So just keep putting it in there and filling it up. I think it's going to be enough hot. I think we're good. It's too bad more people aren't here to eat this stuff because we're not going to be able to eat
That's good.
it.
Oh.
Keep going. Because they're going to bake down. You probably, yeah.
They're going to bake down.
Yeah, go ahead. We were kind of scared in the beginning to see, because we really didn't measure out 5.5 cups. We kind of eyeballed it. You know, when you get old, you kind of eyeball better than the younger ones, don't you?
Yeah.
I think so too. Okay, a couple more. All right. Go ahead and scrape that bowl and kind of get some of that goodness out of there.
There's a lot of goodness in the bottom of that bowl.
That's awesome. That's the best part.
See all the goodness there? There's a lot of goodness in that bowl.
Here you go. Sure. You're welcome.
There we go.
Cindy would like to know what you're going to do when they boil over.
Clean the ovens.
Oh, it's a new oven. Maybe we need to put a couple cookie sheets underneath that one.
We'll see.
You tell Cindy not to worry because she don't get nothing.
Okay, that's good.
Say hi to Cindy.
She wants to say hi to Cindy.
Hi, Finn. Happy New Year.
Okay. So now, we're going to go ahead and take this crumble and just kind of crumble it on there.
All that?
Yes.
That's a lot.
Well, go Dutch apple pie it gently.
How do you do it gently?
You just want to make sure, like, you go close to the pie and just kind of push it.
Oh, I got you. You didn't say pity pat.
I didn't know pity pat was a word.
Gently does matter.
Pity pat, not gently.
Oh, pity pat matters too.
Pity pat.
Boy, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Ooh, it's a good thing the other one's sugar free.
We might have to skip the prime rib and eat this.
Oh, is that what's in the oven?
No.
We got a bowl right here. So at Wannabake Bakery, we have baking lessons, apparently. Bruce Coast needs to come because he thought Wannabake was an actual place, like on the map, like they served food. He said we went there too much.
If I feel it costs a 12-pack of Michelob for me to learn. Oh my goodness.
And Cindy says maybe you should just use one of those metal or those tin cookies, those tin sheets on the bottom of the oven. So you cookie sheet, she thinks will go ahead and change the pie crust.
It will.
And I do agree with that. Yep. So Jenny said, well, maybe just tin foil the bottom of the oven.
Whoa.
We have a lot of people out in that
That looks
area, don't we?
Oh, that does look good.
Go ahead.
Wow.
Man, I can about smell the apples, can't you? Oh, they tasted so good, they just snapped. Okay.
And they're all getting juicy and loving. All the love's in there.
It's all just mixing together, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Thank goodness we didn't use that nutmeg. High five, buddy. Wait.
Jenny says that you could charge for these. Oh, vanilla. She says you could charge for these. Everyone's doing virtual now.
Okay, that's great. Okay, we'll see y'all
That's
later.
done,
We
right?
do the coconut cream.
Okay, on to the next one. We're into coconut cream right now, so we have to get our things ready for the next one.
You always have to clean in between.